Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a video game character voiceover on 11labs. So what you have to do is go to 11labs.io and click on the option to the left, and then you would see conversational AI just below. Click on it and it will bring you to a page similar to this. All you have to do from this section is to click on the agents option on the top left corner, and it should load a page similar to this. And then all you have to do is to click on the playground option to your right here. Once you click on it, a sidebar should pop up and you'll be able to choose your video game character and customize it to your liking. So this is what I was saying. You can scroll down to this section and choose a video game character that you would like to customize. So this is how to customize a video game character on 11labs. If this video has been helpful to you, please leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.